Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this course on English grammar for competitive exams. I am Divya Kaur, research scholar at Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur. In the previous lecture, we discussed about different types of modal auxiliaries and when to use them. But in today's video, we are going to discuss the important rules of using these auxiliaries correctly ताकि हम common mistakes को avoid कर सकें. So let's begin. There are 4 rules of using modal auxiliaries correctly. अगर आप इन rules को ध्यान में रखेंगे तो you can avoid the mistakes which people generally make. Rule number 1. Base form of the verb is used after the modal but to का use नहीं करना है. For example, I should not say I can to play cricket. Wrong. हम कहेंगे I can play cricket. Play is the verb and can is the modal. I might visit my friend today. I cannot say I might to visit my friend today. That would be wrong. तो हमें बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करना है मॉडल के साथ में और टू का यूज नहीं करना है. रूल नंबर 2. Make sure you use the modal verb as is and you do not change the form according to the tense. Modal verbs का कोई tense नहीं होता. They don't have a past, present or future. तो आपको उनका फॉर्म चेंज नहीं करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I cannot say she can swim. I should say she can swim. Can is the modal here. I might go for a vacation this year. So I am not changing the form of the auxiliary, be it a past sentence, present or future tense. The form as it is रहेगा चाहे sentence का कोई भी tense हो. Rule number 3. अब negative sentences कैसे बनाएं? Modal verbs are used in negative sentences like other auxiliary verbs with the word not. हमें सिर्फ not add कर देना है modal auxiliaries के साथ में और उसका फॉर्म रहेगा subject, modal verb plus not and then verb. So subject, modal verbs plus not and verb. You must not miss the class. You is the subject, must is the auxiliary plus not and miss is the verb. I might not visit Paris. I might not visit Paris. I is the subject, might is the auxiliary plus not and visit is the verb. Remember the form subject, auxiliary plus not plus verb. The last and fourth rule. Modal verbs are used with interrogative phrases like other auxiliary verbs. तो अब हम interrogative phrases कैसे बनाएं? क्वेश्चन मार्क वाले सेंटेंसेस यानी प्रश्न पूछते समय हम मॉडल्स का यूज कैसे करें? इसका फॉर्म होता है मॉडल वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल, मे आई हेल्प यू. मे इज द ऑक्सिलरी, आई इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड हेल्प इज द वर्ब. Another example, will you call her? Will is the modal, you is the subject and call is the verb. So that is how you make interrogative phrases. इस तरह से हम प्रश्न पूछते समय ऑक्सिलरीज का यूज कर सकते हैं. तो आज के लेक्चर में हमने डिफरेंट ऑक्सिलरीज के यूजेस समझे. पिछले लेक्चर में हमने समझा था कि मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज को हम कब यूज करते हैं और इस लेक्चर में हमने समझा कि मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज को हम कैसे करेक्टली यूज करते हैं. I hope I made all these 4 rules of using modal auxiliaries clear to you all. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.